evening.
Hi.
We are going to share some animal names with you. I will be giving you the English version, and
I'll give you the Italian version.
so why don't you start with the Italian word?
Ok. Rinoceronte,
Rhinoceros,
elefante,
elephant,
canguro,
kangaroo,
tricheco,
walrus,
polipo,
octopus,
tarantola,
tarantula,
porcospino,
porcupine,
razza,
stingray,
renna,
deer,
mantide religiosa,
a praying mantis,
serpente,
snake,
aquila,
bald eagle,
aragosta,
lobster,
pipistrello,
bat,
volpe,
fox,
formichiere,
aardvark,
babbuino,
baboon,
coccodrillo,
crocodile,
alligatore,
alligator,
antilope.
antelope. So now you know.
Now I'm gonna read the English version and you're gonna read the Italian version.
Oh, you want to do it the other way? Okay,
Yes.
go ahead.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceronte,
Elephant.
elefante,
Kangaroo.
kangaroo,
Walrus.
tricheco,
Octopus.
polypo,
Tarantula.
tarantula,
Porcupine.
porcospino,
Stingray.
raza,
Deer.
rena,
Praying mantis.
mantide religioso,
Snake.
serpente,
Bald eagle.
aquila,
Lobster.
aragosta,
Bat.
pipistrello,
Fox.
volpe,
Aardvark.
formichiere,
Baboon.
babuino,
Yes. Crocodile.
cocodrillo, drillo,
Alligator.
alligatore,
Antelope.
antelope.
Perfect.
I know. I really should move to Italy.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'd be very popular.
Yeah, definitely.
Ciao.